Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Thursday, December 23rd, 2020. Man, what a week it has been. Despite the holiday week, we still have today the market closes at 1 Eastern Standard Time. So, looking at the market today, it's up. You have some stocks that are down, but however, it's still flat. And looking at different stocks, especially if you're looking at a stock like Alibaba that's down, I would say today was definitely a buying opportunity. If if you're into buying something like Alibaba, if you're looking at long term, just look where it's at. This is where it's been. It's touched this area December of last year. So that means, and look, let's look at a longer dated view of the stock. Let's look at a 10-year weekly. So it has some support in this area. So going back to 2018, it's hit a high, came back down, went up. So now it's touching that same area. So if you're looking to get in, I would say it's a good time to start nibbling and just getting in, starting your entry here into Alibaba. It's a good stock. Um, stock just like Amazon, but it has a lot more. Do your research. Don't just take my word for it. Just like I always tell you guys, speak to your broker or your account, whoever you do your broker and you're exchanging with, you're trading with. Ask them. Ask questions. Tell them, is this a company that I can invest for the long term? Just take my word for it. And the overall market is high, low, so you just need to take it with a grain of salt. Today's a half day, and so looking at Alibaba here today, just went straight down. Let's take a look at the SPY, and if you had position yourself for any puts on Alibaba today, oh man, you really did well. Let's look at example the power of options. If you anticipated this move yesterday, you would have bought this particular put option contract. You would have purchased it at this about 25 cents or 30 cents. And today, you would have sold it at this point today, you would have sold it at $30. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. You don't hear nothing like this. For me, that's the unpredictability of like options. You could buy it today and tomorrow it just goes nuts. However, it takes a lot of discipline. When you're taking this right here is absolutely a lottery pick. A lottery pick. No one in their minds knew that this was going to happen because you don't see a lot of volume coming in here buying. Because I bet you if anybody knew this was going to happen, all this right here, it would. A lot of these traders and these money market guys that trade the at those large firms, once they see large amount of money going into certain options, they completely do the opposite. They'll let this stock crater before they allow you to get any kind of money. They rather hold this stock up in order to have your options because it expires today at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They will not allow you to make all this money. Yeah, let's look forward to next week. if we have any kind of stimulus news, we're going a lot higher. I think this is just a little breather. Today, it's this market is about flat, and if we're going to invest, remember you need to take your time, research a company you're you're going to enter, and also if you're buying options, if you're going to buy something a lot longer dated, something along this line. Give it a month or so, 2 or 3 months, so that you can kind of exit when you need to in the market. All right, you guys, it's a wrap for this week. Hopefully, you guys enjoy your Christmas holiday, Kwanzaa, and whatever holidays you guys celebrate during this time. And be safe. Wear your mask while you're outside, huddling in groups, and see you guys on Monday.